Okay guys, come here. I was here. Okay, I think, come here. I was discussing here the data type. Okay, string is name. Remember, in the object I explained you. In the object, I explained you how to create the basics. Correct or not, everyone? Right. I'm coming here and I'm explaining like string, then after number, boolean inside one command, inside one your program. Understood? So what I'm doing here, try to understand this one. I'm doing here, I'm writing here. String is here. The string is what, guys? Babita, what is the string?
String, it's
Collection of
whatever the
what?
name,
Collection of words.
collection of letters and letters.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D letters.
Name, name. I'm writing here name. Mute it. I'm writing here giga bit Ethernet 1. Then after what I will do here, I will separate it. Comma. Number. Number. Kinds of error we are getting, okay, inside that. Maybe like some errors, like you remember inside the commands when you're writing, like you're doing enable configuration terminal interface F0/0. Then after IP addresses you have assigned there. Then after you have done the no shutdown, and then after you have exit, right? In place of F0/0, you have given there G0. But in the real time, this is your F0/0. That means it is error. Are you getting my point or not? This is the error, no? In the IP address, your company have given you 10.11.11.0 network, but you have assigned there 10.1.1.1 /24 values. That means it is error. So how many errors is coming here? 2 errors is generated. Are you getting what I'm explaining here, guys? Like this is the command. You are working on the CLI, but you are getting the commands when you are not getting output. What you are doing, you are correct. You are coming in the correction and you are checking all. But inside the automation, when you are working in the automation, automatically it will show you the errors. How many errors it's getting? Clear? Clear or not? Understood? When you are going for execution in the C programming or somewhere, what is happening at the execution point? Some error will be coming. It will show you the errors point. Same thing happening in this machine language, but we are using JSON. Inside JSON also, same kinds is happening. Okay. So number is telling you input errors. What is happening here? Input error. Errors. Input errors is mine, maybe 3 or 2. And not separated by comma, because this is completely one program. Okay, if you'll be separate, that means it is stopping here. Again, new words is starting. So don't use this one. Okay, clear my point? Remove this one. Okay, then after what I will do next is here, try to understand this point. Let me remove this all points. Come here. Number I have done. Then after what I will do, Boolean. I told you Boolean is also the options is there, right? So what I will do here, next point I am calling here Boolean. Sorry, what happened? Okay, Boolean. Boolean is there. I will call Boolean number. That is some kinds of like in Boolean you've seen there, no? Brackets, this parenthesis, like this parenthesis, numbers, all things is coming inside the Boolean part. Okay. So inside the Boolean, I am calling enable. enable, okay, enable it, and then after it should be true. Then after we have null value is coming. Null value, what I'm doing, I'm calling here it will take some time and second to execute this program, okay, like this way, like this way. Understood? So what I'm doing, like this way we can create like a string name is this one, number error that I have written. So let me write one whole command, then after you can understand. I explained you object, understood or not? Inside object you understood, guys? Then after I came in the string part. In string I explained you how to work. Then after I'm working on all string, boolean, whatever we have, we can call and we can create a command to execution. Understood or not? Clear my point or not, guys? Understood? Array.
Sir, this last null.
Null value, remember null value is coming because if no error is coming, null value in the C programming and all we will do zero and
Yes, sir.
stuff that. So same thing is here and second it will do. Take some kinds of second timing for the execution. There also it will come here and then after it will go for the loop. Okay, so I'm not explaining because some guys are not familiar with the programming language. That's why I have written n second because some time it will take and it will execute this one, this program. Understood or not? Because here it will become inside the looping part. Clear?
Sir.
Clear. So let me write one big command. Then after it will be more clear to everyone what is happening. Okay. So let me write like this command. Try to understand this command. Everyone concentrate. Okay. Don't go anywhere because I will complete JSON today only. See here what I'm writing. I'm writing here. I'm creating one. This one. Interface. Interface. Interfaces are I'm using here interface faces like this way. Okay, this is the connector. This is the connector. Okay, then after what I will do, I will open the program and I'm writing here inside that name name is my gigabit gigabit ethernet 1 comma description is don't go anyone description is description is I will use here that is for management, right? Management comma enabled is object, this is object type, enabled is true. That means up. Okay, comma, management code. I am using here IP version 4. Okay, so I will use here F is IP is my, that is my IP is, I will use here IP version 4. Close, open. Again I will write the address. I will use the IP version 4 IP address here. Okay, that is for the management port. What I am doing, enable configuration terminal. No need here inside the programming. In the JSON, okay, I am writing here name, right? So interface is my G1 name. If it is your firewall, you can use name is my management. Enabled means no shutdown. Then after I'm using what, IP address. So like this way I will write IP version 4, or directly also you can use here IP version, same like IP version 4. You can write here IP version, IP address I'm using here maybe like 10.11.11.10, 255.255.255.0. Okay, this is my net mask, subnet mask. Understood or not? And then after no shutdown I have done, that means it is enabled. And then after I will do what, execute. Like this way I am enabling the basic command. Correct or not, everyone? Correct, no? So same thing I'm using here, IP version 4. I will open the parenthesis. Here I will write here IP is mine. I explain you IP is mine. The object is 10.11.11.10. You can use the network also. If you require the network also, you can use the network also. Understood or not? If you are using as a ISP. And then after what I will do here, I will write here net mask. Net mask is mine 255.255.255.0. Then after what I will do, how do I have opened this one? I will close like same way. Remember in the programming language. So what I will do, I will close it. Then after again this bracket, again this bracket. Okay. So this is for G1 I have created. This is for management interface G1. Again I can create for inside. Means I told you this is my firewall. All of you getting? All of you getting my point?
Yes.
How many people are there? Let me check once. Okay, all of there. One is okay. Richard, Richard, are you getting here?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
Jeffy.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, come here. Come here. Here, see here. This is I have created for management interface. Understood? Again, I will go and I will create for my Ethernet 2. Understood? So what I will do, same like I will do here name. It will become gigabit Ethernet. Same like interface already it's open. Okay. Here what I will do, name in place of gigabit Ethernet 1, I will take here 2. I will take here 2. Are you getting? Description, it is management. Next is my inside. This is enabled, that is true. IP version 4. Here I use 10. Maybe I will use here. Next is .11 and net mask is same. Are you getting? Understood? This is my what? This is my JSON language to create a program inside execution in the automation. And this is very much important. Understood? Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after we have XML. XML language is also here. Should I go for the next one? XML? Should I continue the next
Yes,
one?
sir.
Okay, fine. See here, guys. XML is coming. Okay. We have here XML. XML is extensible markup language. What is happening? Standardized in 1998. That was his game. Before that, we have here JSON. JSON is came when? In 2013. Fine. This is in 1998. Widely used across the internet. Same. Widely used on internet. XML was designed right here. XML was designed to describe and transfer data while what guys? HTML is focused on how to display the data. Guys, do you have idea about HTML programming language?
HTML.
Everyone know about that HTML programming
No,
language? Okay.
no.
Okay. Oh, okay. I understood. You are not from the background, programming background, right? So this is in same like we have JavaScript is there, no? So same like HTML is also a programming language. You understood my point? Same like HTML also have the programming language basics. Nothing worried about that, like very complicated and all things is coming inside. For what? We are not working here for the programming, testing and all. Understood my point or not? We are not creating a testing part. We are not creating a design part. This one. We are here for network programming. Understood? You see in there now how basics we have done, created that language to create like inside outside, or to create like if R1 is there, router name is something, or router like enable something, right? Now very basics it is. We are not going very depth here. Understood? Because in the programming language it is so many things are coming. Understood? We are writing very basics, and you can cross check this one inside that. I told you this is readable. Understood or not? Readable for what? Readable for whom? Readable for human.
Open
Yeah, human and what? Machine. Correct or not?
machine.
It's not in the encrypted way. Correct or not? In the plain text. I explained you on the last part. Remember, right? So these programs are not very much complicated, guys. Try to understand this point. Let me come on the HTML part. Okay. What is happening? See here. I'm writing right here. Next point. See here how to write this program. I'm giving you basics information. key value or like this key, it will be used continued within objectives, within object, within object tag. What is the meaning of this object tag? Is starting from this one and ending from this one. Like you are starting with this one and ending for like something you are writing here, string something object. Inside that you have the object will become what you need to execute. Understood? This is HTML body called HTML body. Understood? This is the head part, and this is the tail part. You can say for the ending program, end the program. Let me write here how to work this one. Okay, try to see this one. Everyone, try to understand how XML is working here. See here, guys. I'm writing XML program. XML version. All of whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? Muted, guys. XML version equal to some version is there. Okay, 1.0 encoding type is equal to UTF. That is the programming. No need to worry about this one. It is everywhere you will find the same. Okay, UTF. That is the version of that 8, and you can close with this one. Okay. Then after same like the question mark, I have started question mark, and then after I will close it. I am going to start the commands for writing here for interfaces. Okay, so what I will do, interface, I am writing here interface XML equal to native interfaces. Same like there also I have used right now interfaces and interfaces I have combined. So interfaces. Okay, then after I will close it. Then after I am coming here, I am writing here name is mine what gigabit. This is I am talking about HTML language, HTML. Okay, this is like in this way we can write name is mine gigabit ethernet 1. Okay, and I told you everything is closing with what? This bracket name. Are you getting my point, everyone? Understood? And starting with this one, this side. Clear? So come here. This one. Name I have created gigabit ethernet. Then after what I need, description I need. Correct or not? So what I will do here, I will write next is description about this gigabit ethernet. If you want to write, you can use this one for understanding. Description is internet link. Description is internet link. This is going to connect with internet. Okay, then after what I will do, I will close with description. All of you getting? Description. Very basics I'm writing. If you're familiar with HTML, you can understand, or I will give you the guide for that. Okay, one book I will share with you. Description part is done. Then after what I will do, enabled. Like we have to no shut. So what I will do here, enabled. That means what, guys? Here it is true or false. If it will be true, that means it is up. So true. Then after what I will do, enable. Then after what I need, guys, for this gigabit Ethernet, what I need IP address, correct or not? Everyone,
IP.
correct?
Yes,
No?
sir.
Yeah. So what I will do, IP version 4. Fine. So what I will do, IP version 4. I need here what, guys? Address. Okay. Like this way we will write. And here I am writing here what? IP, like this way. IP. I will use here 192.168.0.1. Okay. And then after I will close the IP. Fine. Then after what I need, guys? Net mask. I will use net mask. Then after what I will do, use here 255.255.255.0. Then after what I will do, I will close with net mask. Correct. Then after what, I have opened with address here. See here, I have opened with address. Here is my address, right? I will close with address. All of you believe I will close with address. Should I continue here? All of you done this point. All of you done this point. Yeah, I'm going to delete this point. Have you understood this point? See, I have started from address. Then after I will close the address. Then after I will close the IP version 4. Then after I will close what? Interfaces. Understood? So
Yes.
done up to here. What I will do, just see.
Yes.
Concentrate here. Everyone. See what I will do. Net mask is done. Then after I will close with what? I will close with address. Correct. I will close with what? IP version 4, and I will close with interface. Correct, guys. This is the execution of your simple, like you are writing gigabit 1 IP address is 192.168.1.1 with net mask is your what? 255.255.255.0. Then after what? Up. That means enabled. Enabled means up. That means
No shut.
shut down. Then after you have closed it. Interfaces is closed. That means exit. Correct, everyone? Understood this basics?
Yes, sir.
Then after tomorrow, guys, we will see YAML. Okay, guys, need more practice for you also. Okay, don't 100% depend on these classes. Guys, do go search. I send the books. I will share the books. Study there, and execution part we will see. Okay, that is not inside your enterprise CCNA. If you're coming, I am giving you that extra classes. This is not inside that to explain you. This is all things is coming inside in your CCNA enterprise. Understood? That execution and all inside that the automation. But I'm giving you that you can understand. This is extra part is coming here.
Okay.
Fine, guys. So try it,
Okay.
and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good day, everyone. Okay, guys. Bye.